Welcome back. In our last lesson, we learned how to ask a single question. But what if we need to check multiple conditions at the same time to make a decision? For this, we have three incredibly powerful tools called logical operators and or not. To understand them, I want you to imagine a receptionist at a hospital. Their job is to decide if you can proceed to see a doctor based on a set of rules. First, the and rule. Both conditions must be true. Imagine you want to visit a hospital that offers a special free service. The hospital's rule is very strict. The receptionist tells you to get this free service, you must have a free service card and you must have an appointment ticket. In this situation, if you are missing even one of these items, you cannot proceed. Both must be true. This is the and rule. The receptionist asks, do you have the free service card? Yes. Do you have an appointment ticket? You say yes. The result, please go in. If the answer to either of those questions was no, you could not go in. Let's look at the truth table for and. The or rule. At least one condition must be true. Now, let's imagine a different hospital. This one is a bit more flexible. Their rule is to get help, you must have a free service card or you must have an appointment ticket. Here, if you have just one of these items, the receptionist will help you. Only one needs to be true. This is the or rule. The receptionist asks, do you have an appointment ticket? You say no. Then they ask, do you have a free service card? You say yes. The result, please go in. Let's look at the truth table for or. The not rule, inverting the value. The not operator is simple. It just flips a Boolean value. If a condition is true, not makes it false. If it's false, not makes it true. Look at the truth table for not. Practical example. Okay, let's apply this logic in our code. We will use the results from our previous comparison lesson. Let's define our two conditions, x and y. For example, x equal to 13 greater than 12. This condition is true. Y equal to 160 less than 150. This condition is false. Print the value of x is, comma, x. Print the value of y is, comma, y. Now let's test and operator. This is like the first hospital. Do you have a card and ticket? Like this, true and false. Result underscore and equal to x and y. Print the result of x and y is result underscore and. This will be false. Let's check. Now let's test the or operator. This is like the second hospital. Do you have card or ticket? Like this, true or false. Result underscore or equal to x or y. Print the result of x or y is result underscore or. This will be true. Let's check the result. Finally, let's test the not operator. What is the opposite of x? Like this, not true. Result underscore not equal to not x. Print the result of not x is result underscore not. This will be false. Let's check the result.